Hey guys, Beth here for Two Paper Sisters. I just wanted to let you know about this Ultimate STEM and Art Bundle that we have on sale right now. It's $25. It's available until October 27th, and after that it's gone. You can't get it anymore. It's got amazing science, technology, engineering, math, and art activities for your kids age 0 to 14. So tons and tons and tons of resources in here. I think there's over 140 different activities, which amounts to about 3,000 plus pages. So your kids will be busy for many weeks and years to come. I'm just going to show you a couple of the things that we found in the bundle that we really love. So the first thing is this art study about Kandinsky. It's really neat because it starts out kind of giving the background of abstract art, who Kandinsky was, and some of his paintings you were able to kind of take a look at and talk about whether you liked them or didn't like them. And then at the end there's a painting activity, which we really loved. The other thing that I'm super excited about is this math scavenger hunt, treasure hunt. So there's a series of 10 clues, and each one is a math related problem. And then once you solve it, you get the next clue. And then at the very end, you get a special prize, whatever, the parent decides to put out for their prize. And then the last thing I really just want to preview real quick are these math dominoes. So on one side of the domino is a math problem, and on the other side is a picture of a certain number of dogs. So this one's got 4 dogs, right? This one has more. This is dog houses, actually. But these are dogs. And so how you play is just like traditional dominoes. You each draw 7 dominoes, and you have a boneyard with the rest of the dominoes. And you have to lay the dominoes out and look in your hand for something that matches either side of the domino. So it's a great way to practice math facts. We love games in our house, ways that we can instill learning and do review without it actually feeling like we're doing schoolwork. So if you're interested in the bundle, you have questions about the bundle, definitely reach out and let us know. You can find us on Instagram, Two Paper Sisters. You can find us on Facebook, Two Paper Sisters, Pinterest. You can also email us to paper.sisters@gmail.com. And you can snag this incredible bundle for yourself at www.thebrilliantbungalow.com/twopapersisters. You can also just check the link in our bio to get the direct link. So let us know if you have any questions. We hope that you guys love it as much as we do.